in this tutorial, we will be creating two zaps, one for creating a new subscriber when a new lead gets placed, and also for updating that subscriber's email sequence after the fact. So here we'll go into my Properties app, add a new property, put in a property address, now we'll come down here to the email sequence fields that are transferred over to ConvertKit. You put the address in, first name, last name, and an email address. Since this is a demo, I'm using an email address I have access to. And then we'll choose an email sequence. We'll go with Podio new lead. And then at this point we have all the information we need, and we'll hit Save Property. Now this will trigger a zap that will add a new subscriber and add that subscriber to the Podio new lead email sequence. You'll see this update in a second. And here's the log that we'll also be adding in this tutorial, as well as the subscriber ID that we get back. And here's a link that goes directly to the ConvertKit subscriber. You can see that it's created, and the tag set for Podio new lead, which directs ConvertKit to add it to the Podio new lead's email sequence. Now if we change the email sequence to not motivated, we'll see the log update and tell us that the subscriber has been changed to the email sequence for not motivated. And if we go back to the ConvertKit subscriber, we will see that the tag has been changed. And now if we go to sequences, we will see that there's two sequences here, and one is canceled, which is the new leads, which we changed from, and now the new sequence is Podio not motivated.